So traditionally, RIAs had not provided banking services, because of the regulation, which Galileo has been able to figure that out for us, in which we can still provide it without being quote unquote a bank. But it's also important, I think, to look at all ways that we can add value to the consumer. People want a singular experience. Think of Amazon. They want to come, they want to have an environment, they want to have all their stuff in one spot. And whether it's banking, legal docs, asset tax location services, all these are vital, we think, components to having a great relationship with your clients and having a moat around it to protect them from others that are trying to provide these services and pull that relationship into their world. So banks typically are not a fiduciary. They do not put the client's interests first. Obviously, they wouldn't be taking, in some cases, 80, 90% of the spread and passing very little on to the consumer. I think it's really exciting that a true fiduciary, someone that's sitting on the same side of the table as a client, can now actually provide banking services. And so some of our clients are seeing short-term interest rates actually move up, yet they're not making much more on their cash, which is really a travesty. And so we want to be able to flip it, and so where the client is actually getting closer to what the one-year treasury is, and most of that should be pushed onto the client. So as interest rates move up, they're seeing an immediate benefit. So now RIAs are going to be able to actually have a consultative relationship with the consumer. We're actually going to be able to talk about what typically has been dead weight. Cash sits, everybody makes a fortune on the spread of cash, and we want to flip that. Galileo and partnering with them gives you the ability to actually drive those economics to your client. And this is one of many ways, I think, of things we're going to have to demonstrate value beyond a doubt for the consumer in order to win and retain their business in the future.